Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Previous video we learn here data representation. There we learn 4 question. Now see here, the following data shows the amount of rainfall in the city of Mumbai in 4 months of from June to September. Prepare table represent the same using horizontal bar graph, vertical bar graph. Here given you month and rainfall in centimeter, but that one given you in telemark. Telemarks means 4, then one slant line, you call that one 5. 5, 5, 10. You also write in a number. Okay, you also write in a number. C. 5, 5, 10. Right. 5, 5, 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. 1 times 5, write there 5. Now we draw here horizontal bar graph. See, I also draw here because of I have one hand, in one hand mobile and one hand how to I draw na. So I draw here. See how to draw. First one you want there horizontal bar graph. Horizontal bar graph. That time when you draw the bar graph, first write their title. Rainfall in the Mumbai. Rainfall in a Mumbai. Horizontal there see month in a standing line and rainfall in centimeter write in a slipping line. Okay. See here this one line month September, one line gap, then August, one line gap, then write July. That type you write means you have here same distance in that month. Understand? Now rainfall in centimeter. I take here 2 centimeter distance. First 0 to 2, same also. Next number, same also next number, same also next number, same also next number. And write there 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. See here, I write here 5, jump to the 5 numbers. I write here 5 table. Okay. If you want to write 2, 4, 6, 8, that type you write. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That type also write. But here all numbers in a 5 table. So you write there 5 gap. Yeah, 5 table. First one, see June have how many rainfall? 10. So draw here 10 and color that one. Okay, here 10 rainfall, 10 centimeter rainfall. In July 15, where is the 15? Finish here. So draw here and color there. August is a 20. So where is the 20? See, and that time you colored there. Okay. September 5, only 5. All of you understand how to do. This one also you write here. This one write here. But that time you got their vertical bar graph. See here. Now we see they want to show the vertical also, horizontal also. We draw here vertical bar graph. Vertical means standing line. See here. Here is a month. We write here month and here write rainfall in centimeter. Okay. In June month, how many? 10. So where is 10 centimeter? Here. See here also same. In 2 months, how many gap there? Same gap. See half centimeter gap I draw, and half centimeter 1 2 line draw there, and centimeter show vertical bar graph. See how many distance, and here also same 2 lines means gap there 2 lines, gap there 2 lines. Here 0 to 5, 5 to 10 2 lines, 10 to 15 2 lines gap there. All are same. Understand? Here June month where 10 centimeter rain. So draw there this type and color there. July 15. August same means 20, and September 5. You color with your crayon color. Understand? Now next one. Binaz Nasi Sonobar Phil bought storybooks rupees 500, 700, 400 and rupees 300 respectively. Prepare table above the data represent the same using horizontal bar graph. First you want their prepare table. Prepare table this type. See, name of the purchased a book. Write respectively Binaz, Nasi, Sonobar and Philly. Amount in rupees 500, 700, 400, 300. Now they want their horizontal bar graph. So write their name of the person in a standing line, and how many rupees you write in a sleeping line. Okay, this one. Now you get there 100. Okay, where is the scale? See how to draw. I take half 1 centimeter and draw their standing line. Okay, 100 rupees 1, 200, 300 right there. Then Philly gap 1 line Sonobar right, gap 1 line Nasi after gap 1 line right there Binaz have how many rupees spent? 500. Where is 500? Here. So complete this one horizontal bar and color there. Next one Nasi how many? 700. Where is the 700? Here. Nasi's 1 line you colored there with your crayon color. Then Sonobar have how many rupees? 400. How many amount she spent? 400 for the books. And Philly have 300 rupees she spent for the book. All of you understand how to draw and how to color? Okay. Next one question number 7. Mr. Varun collected 8,000 coconut in January, 6,000 coconut in September, 10,000 coconut in April, 3,000 coconut in July, 4,000 coconut in March. Sort the data given above. Prepare a table. Represent the same using vertical bar graph. Vertical bar graph she wants. Now see here. January, March, April, July and September. Write the sequentially. January have how many coconut collected? 8,000. Use their this one chart first, write there. Then write their title, coconut collected by Varun, different month. Okay. Now he want their vertical bar graph. This one which bar graph? Horizontal. Now you want their vertical. So write there. Here is number of coconut. Same distance take. One line. 0 to 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000. Same gap here. Here also half centimeter gap. Okay, take there one centimeter या half centimeter gap. Take you one centimeter gap. Okay. 0 to 1. Draw there 1 centimeter one graph. Then second, third, fourth. Now January have how many collected? 8000. Where the stop that one graph? 8000. You draw there and color there. You draw there and color there. March have how many there? 4000. 4000 draw. April 10,000 draw there. April month 10,000 were finished. Draw there one bar, vertical bar, and color there. July 3000. July. September 6000. Draw there and color there. How to draw and color there, understand? Color the perfectly, huh? Don't do with that type me. Okay, all of you understand now how to do? Now question number 8, 9, 10 is your homework. Okay, question number 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we learn here pie chart. Pie chart means what? This is another way to represent the data. Represent data in a percentage, yeah, any one type. Okay, but see here we show this one pie chart with a circle. Show the pie chart with a circle. Always remember you, circle is always 360 degrees. Circle is always 360 degrees. Okay, when you divided in the part, percentage part, you multiply there 360. Okay, multiply there 360 because of always circle have a 360 degree. Understand? Okay, now see here, Jimmy planned his earning and made a budget as a show the pie chart. Observe the answer the question. Jimmy's budget is here. 25% is a saving. 25% other expenses. Okay. Now 10% entertainment, 5% gift, 15% snacks and 20% for travel. Here, this year you don't do that type. Okay, multiply by 360 and how many percent you divided there in this type question not you have. Next year also that one question. Okay, only given the this one chart, see there and write there only answer. Okay, how much did Jimmy budget for saving? Budget for saving is where? 25%, right there 25%. How much did the budget for a travel? Travel, how many budget? 20%. Did Jimmy budget more or less for entertainment than the gift and snacks together? Did Jimmy budget more or less for entertainment? then gifts and snacks together. Entertainment 10% and gift and snacks 15 plus 5 20%. So it's a less than, entertainment is a less than. What percent Jimmy earning does this graph represent? What percent Jimmy earning does graph represent? See, 25, 25, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 plus 20, 100%. How many percent? 100%. What percent earning he used for other expenses? 25%. How many there? Given you 25%. Right there, 25%. Next one question. All of you understand now how to solve? Only see there in pie chart and write their answer. The pie chart shows the number of students who drank water, milk, juice, soft drinks. Observe the graph and answer the question. How many students in all drank milk and juice? Milk and juice. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 students. How many students? 30 students. Only see 10 and 20, write there plus and write their answer. How many more students drank milk than the water? Milk and water. Milk how many? 10 and water 4. See in the pie chart, 6 students. How many students? 6 students. What a fraction of a student drank a juice? What a fraction student drank a juice? Same answer. (20 by 40) 1 by 2, because of C 30, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 36 plus 4, 40. Out of 40, 20 student. What a fraction student drank a milk? 10 by 40 means 1 by 4. How many students shown in all? 40 students. How many students? 40 students. We calculate there na. Now this pie chart show Russell pet show. Observe the graph and answer the question. How many pets entered the Russell pet show? How many pets entered the Russell pet show? This is a how many? You calculate there. You calculate there. 120 plus 60, 180. 180 plus 150. 180 plus 150. 180 plus 150. 330 plus 30, 360. How many pets entered in the pet show? 360. How many? 360. How many more dogs, cat entered the show? 146 minus 120. 26 dogs more in the show. Calculate there. See there and write their answer. How to come 360? 146 plus 120 plus 60 plus 34. Plus there and write their answer. Were dogs more than the half the pets? Number of dogs less than the half the pets. See here, dog half is there, half circle is there for dog? No. One little bit of there reduce. So you write there, no, dogs are less than the half of the pets. What percent the total pets were cat? How many cats? 120. How many altogether? 360. 120 ones are 120, 130. 123 is 360. Multiply by 100% means 100 by 3%. How many percent total pets were in cat? 100 by 3. All of you understand? Now see here, there are 320 children in a RMM high school. 1/4 of them went for picnic. Half of them went for the visit the museum. The remaining didn't go anywhere. First one question, what? How many children went for the picnic? 1/4. How many is there? 320. 1/4 multiplied by 320. 4 8 is 4 8 is 32. 0 right here. 80. How many students? 80. How many children went to the museum? 1/2 320. Right there 160. So 80 is right on picnic. 160 right on museum. And how many is there? How many children did not go anywhere? 80 students don't go anywhere. Okay. How many children went for the picnic to the museum? All. 160 plus 80, 240. Okay. Now there are 50 students in class 5th modern school. The following data, their favorite TV program, label the pie chart, write the fraction and percentage student for TV program. Number of student, cartoon for 10, National Geography there 25 right by mistake, but only there 15, music 5, others 20. Why we write here 15? You want here total student 50. 10 plus 10 20, 5 plus 5 10, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 20 50. So you adjust here. Okay, there are printing mistake. Now fraction of that 10 by 50 because of total student 50. Total value write downside and what is given is right upper side. Same as it is. How many percent? 50. 50 multiplied by 2. You got there 100. So 10 multiplied by 2 20%. 50 multiplied by 2 30%. 5 multiplied by 2 10%. 20 multiplied by 2 40%. You write here 24 other. Now 5 is a small, so here write music 5. 15 right here 15 National Geography, and 10 for cartoon for a 10 right there. Okay, all of you understand this one. Here data representation topic is completed. Today's homework, page number 112, 113, 114, 15 completed there. Thank you.